Okay, welcome guys to the Cat's Nine Tails channel. Okay, so this tutorial is about how to get your Discord to work with OBS and how to get that to work with Twitch. Specifically for Twitch, this is not for YouTube, okay? Anyways, this is my Elgato. This is my whole dealio if you're familiarized with OBS. I have my Elgato, the Yeti, because that's my microphone. My main microphone is going to be the Yeti. You can see that it's working because when I talk, it's here and it's showing me that it's going through. Okay. Now, what I like to do is I like to project everything to my desktop. You got to make sure you put your display capture to be your desktop. Okay. Because that way all your audio goes to your desktop. So, for example, I can basically have the Elgato go through my desktop. How I can do that is the following. I'm going to click on the Elgato. And I'm going to go all the way down to the audio. The audio, I'm going to put it to my desktop. So as you see, output to desktop audio. Now, when I play around with this, you can see that my desktop is the one that's getting the audio from my PS4 or whatever console you're using with the Elgato, all right? Let me get that through. Okay, so if you don't know how to get your Elgato sound to your desktop so everybody can hear it, that's how you do it. You want everybody to go to the desktop so that way everybody hears it on the same area, on the same group. You don't want to have too many things going around here and there. If you're doing the Yeti and you don't project it out to the desktop audio, that's okay. That's so everybody can hear you, okay? So if something happens to the Elgato, it won't mess around with your Yeti. So they're two separate things. Anyways, speaking of which, I'm going to try to get my Discord. As soon as you open your app, you have your Discord app here. Yay. Okay. So, and I'm going to go in here and go to call my friend and see if he can hear me. And I'm going to be streaming. So this is just a test stream I'm going to do for you guys. How this works. I forgot to mention this little thing. Make sure your settings look like this. For your voice, you have your microphone. In my case, it's the Yeti. And for projection out, it would be like, let's say your speakers or whatever. That's all going to project to your desktop. Capture device desktop. That means in OBS, it should show as your desktop audio. Okay, so make sure it's on this, which is basically your desktop audio. Make sure it's in some way it projects out to your desktop. To me, it's my speakers. Whatever my speakers get of information is basically coming from the desktop. So if I put it like this, it means it's going to project to the desktop. So that way, if, in other words, everybody hears the desktop, they can hear what you're hearing, okay? And you can talk through the microphone so that way the person that you're talking to on the other line of Discord can hear you, okay? So that's pretty much how I set it up. So these are my settings, basically. And here, right-click him. I'm going to call him. First, you want to establish a call. Let's get that right. Hello?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
I can.
Okay, perfect. So try to do me a favor, dude, and open. Well, I'm going to stream now. So that way we can see if you can hear me and if everybody can hear me. Okay?
Okay.
Let's do that. Start stream. It's going to stream on Twitch.
Okay.
Let me know if you can see. Let me sign into. Let me check my Twitch. I don't see if you can hear everything. You can hear the whole conversation.
Right. You're gonna sign in or me?
No.
I'm on my phone. I can't really check right now.
Oh, okay. Then I'll check.
Right. You're gonna sign in or me?
No.
I'm on my phone. I can't really check right now.
Oh, okay. So then I'll check. 1 second.
Yeah.
Let's check.
Oh, I hear voices. I hear both of us.
Okay. Yeah. Both of us are going live right
We're
now.
good.
Yep, we're good.
We're good to go.
We're good to go.
Yeah.
Okay,
I hear
so let me get
voices.
this
I hear both of
tutorial.
us.
So you guys got to make sure you have your
Yeah.
right
Both
here.
of us
Make
are
sure
going
you're
live
not
right now.
muted.
Yep, we're good.
We're good to go.
We're good to
Yeah.
go. Okay, so let me get this tutorial. So you guys got to make sure you have your right here. Make sure you're not muted with the microphone. Make sure your microphone is not muted. It will tell you which microphone you're using. I'm using right now my Yeti. So make sure you go into your settings and check out that your Yeti. All right, dude, this was just a test, so it should be out soon. I'm gonna wrap it up.
Sounds good.
All right,
See you
dude.
later.
See you later. Bye. All right. So how you guys saw that we could both hear each other. I'm basically streaming, and that's basically how you get down to work Discord with your Elgato and the whole works. Make sure you have everything going, transmitting to make sure you have your desktop audio on, make sure you have Elgato on, the whole works. Make sure your microphone is on when you call somebody. Try to check all your settings. If you guys have any more questions, I'll try to help you out as much as I can in general. All right, that's it for the stream.